Okay, in this clip I'm going to show you how to use a rubbing compound. First, of course, we have to shake it. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in my polisher and put my pad on it. My pad is not brand new, of course, you can see it's been used many times. So I'm just going to have to clean it. Okay, I'm going to clean up my pad since, like I said, it's not brand new. I'm just going to clip it, clean up the dust and the reason I like this pad is because I got a real actual control from here. I could change the RPMs. I like when to keep it to about 2,500, 2,000, 2,500. Not too rough. Like I said, you'll be able to burn out all the areas out, the paints and stuff. So I'm going to use a compound. Just put a little bit on the edge. You don't want to put too much because you might spread it everywhere. It'll be a mess. I'm going to go ahead and keep it on 2,000 since it's right there. I don't have to say much. You can see the results already just by a little bit of it. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit more on this edge. I do not recommend you using hand. If you don't have one of these, do not try to sand it down and use a hand. It's going to be really rough and hard. A lot of hand work to be able to do this with hand. Definitely recommend using a machine pad. Now you're starting to see why I use a tape. See, it's stopping me from start cutting the paint. And if he gets close, you can always retape a little bit edges more to cover it up. Gonna put a little bit more to finish it up with this pad and the polisher.